These are the 11 possible means of making money from cryptocurrency without capital. My name is Emmanuel Jacob, the founder of Digital Swap. If you are just visiting my YouTube channel for the very first time, make sure you subscribe. Then I want you to give me a thumbs up. Then I want you to hit the bell icon to turn on post notification, so you'll be the very first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos. So the very first means of making money from cryptocurrency without capital is crypto airdrop. So what is crypto airdrop? So crypto airdrop is simply free cryptocurrencies given away to crypto community. And one of the reasons crypto projects choose to give away their cryptocurrencies is so they could be able to create awareness about their crypto projects, and also so that they could be able to build a larger community. And most of the times they could require the participants to perform some social media tasks in order to be eligible for this airdrop. They could ask you to join their Telegram channel, they could ask you to join their Telegram group, they could ask you to retweet a post, follow them on Twitter, and tag your friends. And sometimes they could come up with some referral programs where you have to refer your family and friends to their platform and earn some free cryptocurrencies. Although we have several other airdrops where maybe you have to hold some tokens in order to be eligible in getting other cryptocurrencies for free. But since this video is just all about making money from cryptocurrency without investment, that is why I'm limiting it to getting airdrops for free without having to hold some certain cryptocurrencies. And the second on my list is OTC. OTC is short for on top the counter. In cryptocurrency terms, OTC trading is simply buying and selling of cryptocurrency from and to individuals. With this particular method, you don't need any capital in order to be able to make money from cryptocurrency. All you have to do is to know someone that is selling and someone that is always buying. So myself, I always buy. So all you need to do if you want to do crypto OTC is to look for sellers. And how do you look for sellers? You look for sellers by advertising. You advertise on your social media, you tell people that you always buy. And how do you make money? You make money from exchange rates. Exchange rate differences, all right? So you could get it from a seller at a certain exchange rate and sell it to a buyer at another exchange rate and make money off the differences. You know, sometimes OTC trading can be quite risky if you are actually selling cryptocurrency to someone you don't really know, because you could actually be trading with someone who has been able to hack into someone's account, use the account and pay you. Then after getting cryptocurrencies from you, it zooms off and nowhere to be found. Then you will be the one to face the consequences, because this money will be required to be reversed to the account it came from. This is quite risky. That is why you need to know the person you are trading with, and also you need to make sure you don't receive payments from third-party accounts. Subsequently, I'm going to make a video wherein I talk about OTC trading alone, because OTC is one of the amazing means I've made a ton of money from crypto trading. It's quite risky and there are some certain things you need to know before you delve into trading OTC, and I'm going to show you how to become a successful OTC trader. Just January alone, I've been able to make more than $2,000 off trading OTC. Making up to $2,000 in a month is quite amazing, but there is a huge risk involved wherein you need to consider before you could be able to become a successful crypto OTC trader. Then I'm going to make a video specifically wherein I'm going to talk about just OTC alone, the risks involved in all. So that is why you need to make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you are yet to do so, and make sure you turn on post notification, because you don't want to miss this one. Because I believe you are always looking for possible means of making money off cryptocurrency without the involvement of capital. The third one on my list is becoming an influencer. Being an influencer, I have about 4 methods of making money from cryptocurrency without investments. And the very first is community management and community building. Lots of new cryptocurrency projects do look for people that could be able to build and manage their community for them. And sometimes they may actually not announce that they are actually looking for someone that could build and manage their community. You can just go to their Telegram channel and be answering some questions and bringing people to their either Telegram or Discord community, and at some point your work maybe gets noticed and you may be employed. And once you are employed, that is how you are going to be paid for managing and building their community. And that's not all. Being able to build and manage a cryptocurrency community has a lot of stuff to offer you, because if you are able to build your own community, you are going to be making a ton of money when there is opportunities like referral program on a certain cryptocurrency project. You are going to be having lots of people using your link to sign up, and as such you are going to be able to make money from it. And also, if your community is large enough, you can also be paid by crypto projects to shield their coins to your community. So about the referrals, I got a Samsung phone, Samsung S20 FE last year. I think the phone is up to 1 year now because I got it around February 2021. I was able to buy this phone from the money I got from referrals. All right, so my referrals on Binance, as they are trading, I'm getting commission. All right, so this commission, I think I was able to realize more than $2,000, like not all at once. I did not get it all at once. Up to now, I'm still getting some referral bonuses based on the people that use my referral link to register their Binance accounts. So this is quite amazing, and I'm able to get these referrals because number one, I have a community, and number two, they used my referral link to sign up their Binance accounts. So the fourth means of making money from cryptocurrency without investment is YouTubing. Lots of YouTubers are actually making a lot of money from cryptocurrency without them having to invest or without capital. And how are they able to make money? They are making money because crypto projects are coming to them, paying them huge amounts of money and asking them to shield their crypto projects. And they get this money and they shield their projects. Even if their community or people seeing the video, have you maybe make use of the information or not, they get paid before they even post the video. And you can also be making money from YouTube AdSense if you are able to meet the criteria. And also, if you are able to have lots of subscribers on YouTube, they are going to use your referral link to sign up on different cryptocurrency exchanges and other crypto referral programs. The fifth means of making money from cryptocurrency without capital is podcasting. People are looking for information, and if you are able to provide people with this information, if you are able to give people this information, then that is how you are going to be able to build a community. That is why you are going to be able to get this attention. That is why you are going to be able to be this person that crypto projects will come after, asking you to maybe shield their cryptocurrency project, talk about their cryptocurrency projects so that people will get to know about their cryptocurrencies. And as a result, you are going to be paid doing so. So most of these things I've mentioned, some of them might really take time before it comes to fruition, but trust me, it's going to worth the while if you keep on persisting. So the number 6 means of making money from cryptocurrency without capital is teaching. Possibly you can have your own community and teach and assist people do stuffs you already know how to do well on the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and charge them a little amount of money and with time you could be able to grow to a bigger brand. So the number 7th on my list is writing. So this writing could be blogging, this writing could be maybe editing, this writing means a lot. So if you are able to be writing, if you are able to be having a particular maybe a blog website where you talk about cryptocurrency stuffs, you could get to a point where people are going to be paying you for you to talk about their cryptocurrencies. And also, if you are able to have a lot of traffic, people are going to get to make use of your link in case of referral campaigns, and you are going to be able to make a lot of money from it. So the number 8 means of making money from cryptocurrency without investment is programming. So if you are a programmer and you know how to program, then I implore you to learn how to write blockchain codes. I implore you to learn how to code cryptocurrencies. I implore you to learn blockchain programming. Blockchain programming is quite lucrative, and people with these skills are sought after. They are actually looking. We don't really have lots of programmers in this space. So programmers are hot cake when it comes to blockchain programming. Programmers are hot cake in the cryptocurrency industry. So if you are a programmer, make sure you learn how to code cryptocurrencies. Learn all this stuff. I think cryptocurrency programming language is Solidity, Oracle, and lots more. So make sure you learn all these things. And if you are able to know how to program, if you are able to know how to use how to write smart contracts, you are going to be able to make a lot of money. You are going to be making thousands of dollars to be able to develop a blockchain project. So the number 9 means of making money from cryptocurrency without investment is editing. This editing is quite elaborate. It could be video editing, it could be blog post editing, it could be editing crypto related books. So for instance, maybe someone wants to write a book in cryptocurrency, and based on your knowledge in cryptocurrency, you are known as someone that could be able to edit crypto content. Then you are going to be a sought after, and you can be making a lot of money editing. And the one I did not include in my list, which I want to match it with this editing, is graphics design. Graphic designers are making a lot of money of cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency, I think there is no cryptocurrency project that is not in need of a graphic designer. So if you are a graphic designer, make sure you improve your craft. Make sure you learn so that you become a professional, such that someone can maybe actually refer or recommend you to a good cryptocurrency project, and make sure you sell yourself a lot. Get known by people by always posting about what you know how to do best on social media platforms. So far, all the 9 things I've mentioned, I don't think there is any of it that do not need mastery. So if you know you could be able to function well in any of the above mentioned 9 things, make sure that you become a master. Become very good at whatever it is you are doing. Be a good researcher. If you are a good researcher, you are going to be a good YouTuber, a good podcaster, a good community manager, you are going to be actually too good on any of these above mentioned ways of making money from cryptocurrency without capital. And let's go to the number 10. So the number 10 means of making money from cryptocurrency without investment is play and earn. We have lots of cryptocurrency projects where you can play their game and earn cryptocurrencies for free. So subsequently, I'm going to make a video listing out these platforms where you can play games and earn cryptocurrencies, and that is why you need to hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification so you'll be notified when I post this video. So let's move to to the very last but not the least, I'm actually going to make a part 2 of this video as I'm able to come up with other lists, because we have lots of means of making money from cryptocurrency without investment or without a capital. So I'm going to make subsequent videos on this particular subject. So the very last on the list for now is accepting crypto as means of payment for goods and services. So if there is actually any services that you render, you can choose to accept cryptocurrency as means of payment. And the good side is that if you accept payment on cryptocurrencies and that particular coin you got as a payment for your goods or services gets to rise, then you make money from it. And it's also wise that you know when to accept some certain cryptocurrencies as means of payment if you are actually looking at keeping it maybe for long term. And know what cryptocurrency you should accept as means of payment, so that you will not end up getting the payments when cryptocurrencies were quite pumped and end up selling or choosing to cash out when things has gone south. So I believe with the 11 few points of mine, I've been able to convince and not to confuse you that you can possibly make money off cryptocurrency without having to invest a dime in cryptocurrency. So what are you waiting for? I want you to tell me in the comment section, which of these 11 things do you promise me that you are going to, maybe starting from today, start working on it in order to be able to make money from cryptocurrency without having to involve any amount of money? So let me know in the comment section. Start telling me. Tell me, let me know now. Which one do you want to delve into? Which one do you want to delve into? Because I want you to take action, because I think you promised yourself, or maybe you had some resolution that this year you are going to venture into this and that. Maybe amongst all the 11 things I've been able to list, I think you might have had interest in any of those. Then I want you to let me know in the comment section which of these things are you interested in delving into after seeing this video. Alright, so if you are yet to give me a like, I want you to hit the like button, and I want you to follow me on my socials. Follow me on my TikTok at Jacob's Bitcoin. Follow me on my Instagram, and follow me on Twitter at Emmanuel Jacobs. And finally, don't fail to like and follow our Facebook page at Digital Swap. So thank you so much for sticking around. I believe you've been able to learn a lot today, yes, and I believe you are going to take action after seeing this video. And then I'm hoping to see you on subsequent videos. Goodbye.